To fix Discord not opening on Windows 11, a common issue that occurs frequently, you can try a series of steps. First, open the Task Manager by right-clicking on an empty space in the taskbar and selecting it. In the Task Manager, type Discord in the search bar. Click on the Discord app and select End Task. Then, click on the 3 lines and select Details to check for any running Discord tasks. End each of these tasks by clicking on them and selecting End Task. You may receive a warning message, but since you're only dealing with Discord, it's safe to proceed. After ending all Discord tasks, close the Task Manager and search for Discord in the Start menu. Try opening it to see if it works. If not, search for Discord again. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. You may need to enter your admin PIN for this. If Discord still doesn't work, try restarting your computer and checking again. If none of these steps work, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling Discord. To do this, go to the Control Panel, switch to Category View, and click on Uninstall a Program. Under Programs, look for Discord. Click on it and select Uninstall. Follow the uninstaller's instructions to complete the process. Alternatively, you can search for Add or Remove Programs, find Discord. Click on the 3 dots next to it and select Uninstall. Once Discord is uninstalled, go to the Discord website, download the Windows version, and run the installer to reinstall it. This should resolve the issue and get Discord working again.